In this video, we'll see how to make cheesy and delicious, very easy to make quesadilla using vegetables. If you want, you can also make non-vegetarian version of this. Let's get started. In a bowl, take 1 cup all-purpose flour or maida. Add salt as per taste. Give it a good mix. And then by gradually adding water, you need to make a semi-soft dough. You can also add some maize flour or makke ka atta to this. Knead for 2 to 3 minutes and then apply some oil. Cover this dough and let it rest for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Now let's prepare the veggies. So for that, heat a kadhai or pan and add 2 to 3 teaspoon oil. To the hot oil, add 1 teaspoon chopped or sliced garlic, 1 medium-sized sliced onion, and just saute for a few seconds, that's it. 1/4 cup sliced tomato, 1/4 cup sliced capsicum, 1/4 cup sweet corn. The light brown and crispy garlic tastes really awesome, so just stir for a few seconds. We don't want to overcook the vegetables. Add a little salt as per your taste. Half teaspoon red chilli powder. Mixed Italian herbs or oregano or anything you have. If you do not have these herbs, you can add any Indian masala like garam masala or chicken masala. Well, that's vegetarian. Any masala of your choice. Now let's get back to the dough. So after 10 minutes, you need to again knead it for 15 to 20 seconds. And you will see that the dough would become really nice and smooth. So I'm dividing the dough into 3 equal sized portions. Take 1 portion, sprinkle some maida on your countertop or your chakla and roll this dough thin. So we want a very thin sheet like a roti, a thin roti. So roll it as thin as you can. Meanwhile, heat a tawa or griddle. You need to cook this roti or tortilla on both the sides so that it just gets cooked and you would see the color changing from white to translucent. That's it, because we are again going to cook this with the stuffing. So do not cook it completely till you get brown spots like we do with roti or fulka. So just a few seconds, like 10 to 15 seconds on both the sides. Similarly, make the other tortillas. Keep the flame high while cooking these tortillas. This way you would be able to cook these quickly and these won't turn hard. Let's prepare the quesadilla. So take 1 sheet. Here I've got some mozzarella cheese. This is total half cup. So sprinkle some mozzarella like this. Then place the prepared stuffing. Again some cheese. And 1 cheese slice, or you can add some processed cheese from the cheese cubes or block that we get. Some mixed herbs, or you can also add any other chatpata masala of your choice. Some chili flakes. So these chili flakes are very easy to make at home. You can check out our video on that. Fold it in half like this. Press it with the spatula. The cheese which we have added at the bottom and at the top would help keep the sides of the quesadilla together. Now heat your tawa or griddle and put some oil. If you want, you can also use butter. And now you need to cook this quesadilla on both the sides till the cheese melts and the quesadilla gets nice light brown spots on both the sides. You need to repeat the same steps for the next quesadilla. Like I said, the cheese which we add at the bottom and at the top helps keep both the sides together, because as it melts, it keeps the sides of the quesadilla together. Wow, looks so tempting and delicious. It's very easy to make. You can add a lot of vegetables. Instead of maida, you can use whole wheat flour. And yes, eating cheese in moderation is not bad for health. Give this recipe a try and enjoy!